racing statue at the station.
This is going to be a while.
It's a grindhouse, this one.
Yeah. This is kind of like a culmination of a story that goes back to the...
Emperor's Cup, sorry.
That's right, that's where it all began, so excited for today's game.
We queued up for about 20 minutes in the rain. Finally, when we get inside, actually it stops raining. It's sunny now, but that's all right. Picking up the towel, looking forward to this. JIT Recycle, let's go.
What about like the mascot plushie for you to like hug at night when you get a bit lonely at night? You know what I mean?
Cut a little hole in it. You know? Yeah, there's a lot of tat here, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like,
there is.
I wouldn't want most of this.
You wouldn't want a Kofu USB?
No, I would not. USB-C, maybe. You want this for your bedroom, mate? Hang that on your wall.
Wi-Fi won't allow it.
It's a shame.
Looking to get some food now, and just the stretch of food, I guess behind us, I don't know if you can see it. The smell is immense, isn't it?
It's decent the sun's come out as well.
Yeah. Look at this. You can just, the smoke you can maybe see if the camera's picking it up. It's just from amazing food being cooked. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get stuck in. The yakitori, the yakisoba,
Yeah.
the potato,
Can't go wrong
and
with
all
that,
that.
ever.
No. Got the beef curry over there. It's been raining for the last couple hours and now the sun's come out, so I'm maybe not in a curry mood right now, but the options are very basic, but they are plentiful and they look great. Gosh, I'm excited.
There's something for everybody, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want a beer, though.
Yeah.
I want a beer. We're a beer.
I think every stall sells those ones. How about that? Kofu karage.
Yes, 100% yes.
We've got the plain, one with the spring onion, and then this one is the spicy one, eh? Chilies on that.
But I tell you what, that looks alright there. That's the Karage League Jones.
Could go straight to the top of the league on that one.
If it tastes as good as it looks, then yes. We got our food. We're about to go in.
Yeah.
Just seen the lineup here. It's nice that they do this, man. Let you know who's playing.
Yeah, it's
do you know
awesome.
what I mean? Unfortunately, we haven't got Peter starting, but we didn't expect that. Peter's on the bench, number 99. We've got.
He's coming on eventually, isn't he?
Yeah. I mean, I think the team is decent. We've got Gonzalez up front, obviously. Pretty solid. I'm happy with that. Okay, so back in with the food review. It's been a while since we've done a classic J League Journeys karage.
It looks juicy. Can you see that?
This is meant to be super spicy as well. So the
super spicy.
The glistening red on that you can
Gekigara.
see is it's meant to be gekigara.
Oh jeez. Okay. Delicious, juicy karage, but the spice isn't coming through.
Is it not?
No.
That's disappointing, isn't it?
But that is delicious karage. You couldn't ask for anything more from karage.
Oh, that is yeah, unreal karage. Maybe the best I've had in all J League.
It's good.
Yeah, well done, Ventforet Kofu. You're doing everything well so far, honestly. Everything is very good. When I was looking at the food on the website before the game, I thought it was spaghetti bolognese, just looking at the picture.
Yeah.
But like, I was like, why have they got spag bowl at a game? But then it's actually...
Yakisoba, big Japanese dish with bolognese, Italian dish. So this is called tomato yakisoba. But it's got like the tomato meat sauce vibe here. So I'm about to eat this and see how it is. Let's go. I mean, see the bolognese in the middle there? It's good. It very much tastes like a very seasoned bolognese. It's actually really good.
Is it?
Yeah, I actually rate it.
Taste is good.
Taste is great. I think you should tuck in.
Okay, enjoy, mate.
I'll give that 7 out of 10.
7? What are they doing? You're going to crash, babes. Eyes on the road.
Peter Zaka!
Yes, Peter. Peter's out. Yasuhiro is out. Oh, that's mad. That's a very good vibe, isn't it? So if that is ultra shit, mate, do you know what I mean? It's ultra shit, mate. Probably don't get it.
Score prediction right now, what do you reckon?
38-0 Kofu.
I'm going 1-1.
I got 2-1 Kofu.
But seriously, what a view though, this stadium, and it is gorgeous, isn't it? It is absolutely gorgeous.
We've not been anywhere yet that has had this view, so
Perfect.
fantastic.
But that's kick-off. Come on lads, big start, come on. Start strong, start strong. Leaving already.
They've been pressing. They look the stronger team already. They've had a couple of decent chances. Nothing happened yet. Keeper's looking decent from Iwaki, but it's all Kofu so far.
Yeah.
5 minutes in, let's stay positive.
And Jesus are the fans up for it. Gosh.
Fans are phenomenal.
Yeah.
Can they keep this going the whole game though? And can they keep this going if we go 1-0 down? Who knows?
Let's see.
Test, innit?
Yeah.
Let's drive, let's drive, let's drive. Go on son. Pace and strength, legend.
Do something with that.
Good feet.
Corner.
Corner ref, corner. Let's see who the header for sure. Ooh, it's a good effort though.
Take a shot. Yes. Shoot.
Yes! Yes! Good finish.
Hey! It's a good finish that.
No way are they going to score again.
A 1-0. 13 minutes in against a team that just won 6-0. That makes the game very interesting.
Yeah, do you know what? It's been all Kofu though, and like it's been easy for them.
Conditions are perfect as well.
Yeah, fans are on it.
And do you know what? It's set up a good Kofu win. A 2-3-0 win here is a massive statement. They're currently second in the league. A win today could put them top potentially. Lovely club, isn't it?
I love it. This is vibes right now.
I've never seen a club fill out their relegation as well as this.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but just, the home stand obviously is just full.
They don't often fill the side stand and the main stand. That's very rare.
Did he get it from the outside of his boot? Keep it in, keep it in. Keep it in play. No! I knew he'd do that. Oh, no!
You got to do it.
Love it.
Well done.
It was the number 5, the defender, trying to like play make, and it was the striker who had to like defend and keep the ball out.
All you know to do, you put all your XP points into tackling.
Yes, go monsieur. Yeah, I love that.
Quality.
Oh, it's a good effort. You could see it was going to bend in.
Out of nowhere, they just got a scrappy little goal. Really disappointing to see because Kofu have just been fantastic, and that was just a cheeky little tap in.
It was a nothing goal, wasn't it? Both sides have had chances, but Kofu have definitely been in control.
Yeah.
1-1 right now, I think, is a little bit harsh on them.
It is.
I don't think that Iwaki deserve to be drawing right now, but I'm confident that Kofu is still going to go ahead and score. Don't worry about it.
Good effort.
Take that. It's been crazy end to end, attacking chance after attacking chance.
I still can't get over this view. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so amazing. You're very much like in the countryside at this point.
Whoa. Second ball. Good effort, lads. Good effort, good effort. That's what we want to see. A bit more of that.
He fell down. Yeah.
Because he was fouled, mate. Nibby.
Show the replay. Show the replay.
Okay, so we're just starting the second half. Literally just kicked off. I reckon attacker's going to come on as he normally does about 60th minute. When he does, the game's going to change. They're going to play longer, more kind of like aggressive through balls on the halfway line, and the attacker's going to score one. It's going to finish 2-1. I'm calling it now.
I don't know. This game could go anywhere. I'm scared. I'm scared for Kofu. Like I don't think this. Let me put it this way.
They shouldn't be losing this.
This is a cop-out prediction, but I will at least say this won't be comfortable for Kofu.
Balls to the wall. What are you saying?
Balls to the wall. I'm gonna say this is gonna be like a 2-2. 2-2.
That's meant
2-2.
Hey, second half. Come on, the sun is shining. The beers are flowing. The fans are cheering. What more can you ask for? J League Jones, let's go!
Love it.
The weather's just gone crazy.
Suddenly the rain is coming out. Everyone's putting on their jackets. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They know what's happening. They know what's going down.
There's rain.
Are we ready though? Are we ready?
I got nothing else to put on, mate. Do you know what I mean? I'll put Johnny on. Do you know what I mean? That Johnny ain't gonna help.
And the game ain't stopped, but people are struggling here. The game goes on, that's football, isn't it? Wait, like people are running off the pitch. What is going on over there?
It's like panic stations, man. What is happening?
Like, so to me, it just seems like, yeah, okay, put your coat on, it's a little bit of rain. But they've literally abandoned the game.
It is snowing.
It
went from snowy, it went from sunny to snow. It is fucking snowing.
Snow.
We were in sunshine paradise literally 15 minutes ago.
It was lovely. We were complaining about being too hot.
We were complaining about it being too hot.
And now it's snowing.
We've never experienced this before.
This is the maddest J League weather I've ever seen. Honestly, that is a touch, man. How do we get these legends?
Man, this game has been filled with ups and downs.
So we met some very lovely people, and they said, "Okay, come to the front and sit with us." So we're now at the very front of the pitch.
Yeah, we're with the ultras. We're in the.
What view that is?
We're right at the front.
Yeah. So like a little bit of a luxury shop, really.
But there's a little bit of a problem.
Game's not restarting for another half an hour. They're top lads. The Kofu lads are top lads.
They haven't disappointed.
Top lads, man. Kofu is probably my favourite J League club. Like, this is it. Like,
Has it cemented it for you?
I think so, yeah.
Wow.
They're so nice. Everyone's so friendly.
There you go. There you have it.
Keeper, not much we can do about that.
Iwaki have a free kick from somewhere in between the halfway line and the penalty box. Kofu will deal with this. Kofu will deal with this.
Okay, drive.
Dealt with nicely.
Get.
Counter. Kofu fans want a counter attack.
3 minutes.
Come on, lads.
My corner.
Fuck these songs. Just fuck it. Score a goal. Come on, Kofu.
I think you're right with a 1-1.
You reckon?
Might change my prediction to 1-1, you know.
Whilst this weather's still sunny, isn't it?
Yeah. Postpone it, Jeremy. Postpone it, guys. Postpone it.
Had it written all over it, man. It's over there. This is got to be over. Game, set, and match. It's game, set, and match. Game, set, and match. Game, set, and match. Game, set, and match. Game, set, and match.
Kofu should have won that, I think.
Kofu were the better team for sure.
Peter! Love you, bro. Peter! Love you, bro. Peter! Love you, man. Peter, we love you, bro. Peter Tucker, I love you, bro. Love him. We're legends. Peter Tucker, man.
Where's he rate in your top 5 footballers of all time?
Number one. Okay, number 1, Peter Tucker. Number 2, R9. Number 3, Messi. Number 4, Maradona. Number 5, Cruyff.
Now, imagine that just right outside your stadium. That is stunning, man. That is stunning. Honestly, mate, what a club. This is beautiful.
So Kofu,
We
you're
love
in
you.
the hearts of JIT Journeys for now. Do you know what I mean? You're in the hearts.
You're
in the hearts.
right up there for me. Right up there for me. Honestly.
God bless. So I'm here about to give my ratings for Kofu. We're in the middle of an express train, but last word in JIT Journeys is journeys, and we're on a journey right now, so hit me with it. Location, I'm going to give it a... Oh, it's bad, 4. Food, I'm going to give it an 8. Fantastic food, great options.
Stadium.
Stadium, this one's going to be the hardest. I'm going to give it an 8. Great stadium, it's just the scenery really makes it. If it didn't have the scenery, it would be way lower.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, 9. Fantastic atmosphere.
Fans were banging, weren't they?
They were hopping the whole time.
Okay. And match day experience.
Match day experience, 8. Fantastic. The atmosphere really made it, and I gave high an atmosphere, so 8 for match day.
Stadium, I'll give a 7. I think it could have been better, but...
Food.
7. It was pretty basic, but easy to get. It tasted good. Location, 6. Beautiful, but hard to get to.
Atmosphere.
10. Fans were banging throughout, absolutely lovely, and they were. Not only was it fantastic and like they brought the vibe up, they're also very friendly and welcoming, and that's exactly what you want. Can't get better than that.
Match day.
9. They gave us a really fun day out, one I won't forget. They even said, come back, like this is your seat now. You're welcome to come back here anytime. This is your locked in seat. Beautiful, legends.
The mascot gives me strong furry vibes and it makes me uncomfortable. Look at that. State of him, man.